Welcome back. My name is Sandeep. Last episode or chapter, we saw how to use the code node. And this episode, we are going to check how to notify the team on Discord. Before we do that, let's do one thing. Let's come to this. First and foremost, I'm going to make a copy of this workflow so that we go to the last one. 2.6 notifying the team. All right, let's do this. I'm going to close this one. Just saving it, of course. I don't want to lose anything. I closed it. Let's reopen it. 2.6. Okay, in order to send a message to Discord, first we need access to Discord. Pretty simple. We need access to n8n's Discord server. This step is very important. This is how you're going to get your badge. If you miss this step, it's going to be very difficult to work with support and get it. So I'm going to say AIC Discord channel. And this is different from the n8n community channel. Just saying it. May 3rd, 1982. I am old. I have seen dinosaurs roaming the earth, so yep. Wait, are you a human? I think so. Alright, please drag the crossing lines, I guess. This. Verify. Am I human? I think so. Alrighty, let's welcome. Let's customize. I am a novice. We're all learning. ID ops. Doesn't matter. Are you an affiliate? No. Finish. Doesn't matter. You choose whatever you want. Now, this is the official Discord channel, right? We can see, and this is the course level 1 that we are interested in. After this, we have a course level 2, which we will do later on. But right now, we are interested in course number 1. And once you have access to this, we are good to go for the next step. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the workflow file and we're going to copy paste this just to get a hang of what we are trying to do, right? All we are trying to do is a Discord. What are they doing in the Discord? They are just sending a message to their webhook, which is their Discord webhook, right? So before we do that, let's do one thing. I'm going to delete all this. We have to create credentials before that. So I'm going to add a Discord node, send a message to the channel. All right, connection type, bot token, webhook, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. We will need some kind of authentication. So we are going to use, if you go back to your email, they have sent us a webhook URL. So we're going to use that webhook URL. I think that's the one. Let's see, webhook, credentials, create a new credential. This is the URL that you're going to put in. I'm going to say n8n's Discord server. Perfect. Save. I want to save this over here. Connection credential successfully created. Now we're going to send a message. What is the message that you want to send? You can come over here and copy the message from here. Like this message. This is the message. I'm going to copy it. Let's go back, enter it over here. Now we need to, I'm going to delete this. We don't need this. Let's run it again over here. I'm not running the execute workflow because we want to check it out, what's happening. I'm not sending the data over here. I'm just going to run this code node, right? Let's go inside. We got 16 and 2251. If you want, I can pin this data so that we don't have to run it again. Now, so we did not run the HTTPS code node. this is in red right now. Why? So why are we getting this error? Let's see. It's looking for HTTP request, and we have HTTP request 1. That's why. So I'm going to put 1. It should turn green because we copy pasted it a bunch of times. That's why it happened. It happens, no worries. I'm going to send. Message was sent. If you go to our Discord, unique ID, if you see this 7E2 should match your 7E2. So this is very important step. Again, this unique ID has to match this unique ID. It means that alright, it's asking us to claim the account. I'm going to say Sandy for V1. I'm going to give the same password. So I really don't need it, but why not? Confirmation, link, verify email. Perfect. Continue, open. And just to be sure that we don't miss anything, right? We don't want to miss anything. I have read. I will be able to do something now. That's fine. Anyways, we don't have permission because this is specially for the webhooks to send data back. And we are registered over here. So let's go back. This is successful. So we were able to send a message back to the Discord server, which is n8n's Discord server. I don't need this. I'm going to quit this. We have it open over here. We're good with this. All right, let's go back. Incredible. We have saved Nathan hundreds of hours. I'm just kidding. We have saved him a lot of time with this tedious work. And now the only thing which Nathan needs is he wants to run this every Monday 9 a.m. And that's what we're going to do it in the next episode. We are going to use a scheduling node, however you want to say it, based on where you're living. And we're going to do that in the next episodes. With that said, thank you so much.